to the channel. I'm the Bearded Sauce, and for today's video, we are not doing hot sauce. We are doing Carolina Reaper cheese balls, 2.2 million Scoville unit. So, it says it's the Guinness Book of World Records hottest pepper in the world, the hottest balls you'll ever put in your mouth. I wouldn't say that in front of kids, so I hopefully don't get canceled for that one. Anyway, so it says only sold online at Anthony Spices and Amazon, and it also gives a very clear warning that you should not give this to kids and keep out of reach of children. So, without further ado, people, we're gonna go for this. Woo! Well, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Not bad. Really not bad. There it is. There it is. I'm dying here. Crying, red face. Don't want to touch anything.
Do another!
Oh, you want me to do another?
Do another!
I'm getting called
One
for it.
more, you're cool.
Ugh. Mother. Spicy?
Third time's the charm.
Spicy? Shut up. Spicy? Ugh. Sweating out of my eyeballs. Flavor rating, these are actually really good. I give these a 8 out of 10. Spiciness rating, off the charts. I'm not even gonna label that. Don't try that at home, kids. I'm dying here. Hiccup rating, no hiccups, just straight burn in the gullet. Anybody else want to try one?
I'm good, I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good at
Anybody?
pass.
Anybody?
Ethan, get in there, big dog.
Come on, man.
I'm good.
Come on. No, you've been telling me all weekend that you wanted to do this. Get on here.
Oh.
I got one Werther's in my mouth.
Make sure to wash your hands afterwards.
How do they smell?
Hot.
I'm telling you. Are we going for milk or ice cream here? Bread? Anybody?
Hopefully something good.
Good. You're good?
So far, I'm gonna start sweating. This is awesome.
Yeah.
Love this buddy.
Yeah.
It's gonna feel good coming out.
Yeah. Double dragging it up in here. I'm done. I'm done. I'm out. I'm out.